Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making s'mores dip. Okay. Do you want to read the ingredients?
It's really cringy. You can read it.
No, you read it. I just ended the video.
Here, these are the ingredients. So there you go. You read it.
Graham crackers, milk chocolate bars, and marshmallows. Okay, you can read how you do it.
But we're gonna do it.
Yeah, you read how you do it so they know what they're doing when they watch the video.
Are you recording?
When they watch the video,
They
yeah.
can read it when I.
No,
put it
okay,
up there.
you just read the
Like,
first one.
Just pause the video and
The first
read it.
The first one's the shortest one, just read it.
Layer the chocolate on the bottom of a pan. I don't know if I can get my arm to do that.
Okay, so how do we do this? You have to wash your hands.
Oh my god. I feel like I need to supervise just for safety reasons.
Where's the soap?
No, yours is. You have to supervise.
Don't screw it up.
I'm not.
I already opened that one out.
Can I try it?
Make sure there's enough.
There's enough.
Okay.
Mmm. Chocolate.
Okay.
Oh, it's good.
Hold on. Oh, it's like crooked. No, whatever. Okay, so. Okay, so.
Caruso.
I'm gonna get it. Okay, come over here. Okay, so you're gonna put the chocolate in the bottom of the pan. So grab that. You have to like lay it nicely. Dude, this is like throwing up.
You couldn't hold back, you had to eat up.
I know.
You couldn't wait
I know.
5 minutes.
Leave me alone. Okay. No, you have to wait. You have to wait.
Oh,
Okay, here's the next one.
this is
Chocolate.
kind of cute. How'd it get on the napkin?
Here, Dia, passing this over to you. Okay?
So you actually get every single
Crevice, yes.
crevice.
I don't know if it actually says that, but.
That's what I'm saying.
That's kind of cool.
I
You see
know.
what I did there?
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh my gosh. See, now I'm gonna turn it this way. Oh my gosh.
It's like a puzzle. Oh, we need more. Oh. So now you put the chocolate on the bottom of the pan.
I already said that.
Well, I don't know if they heard
Oh my
you.
gosh.
You talk so quiet. Okay. See? Okay.
Everyone clap.
So now, wait, what?
Gotta read this.
Now you neatly place or sprinkle marshmallows covering over the entire chocolate.
Sprinkle marshmallows.
No, you just do this. You have to. Oh,
Maybe you should lay them on their side.
oh yeah, it's smart. Okay, grab more. You have to be nice. Oh my gosh.
Wait, what are you making?
S'more stuff.
This more thing.
These are not.
Yeah.
Oh, babe, also I separated your pencils.
Thank you. Looks stupid.
Okay, now.
Oh, we have to. Dear, are you wearing Christmas socks?
Yes.
Look, is there an issue, Kate?
No.
Okay,
Good.
read the last one. Get in the camera and read it.
Okay.
Neatly place or sprinkle. Oh wait. Bake at 450. Circle F for 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Keep a close eye on it. Okay, let's put it in there.
Okay, wait, you're gonna burn your face.
Oh, it's hot in there. Oh, it's so
Okay.
warm.
So now, you wait.
It's not quite hot all the way, but that's okay.
Where's the... Now you cook for 4 to 5 minutes.
Why are you using your middle finger?
Cause it's easier to type.
It's very disrespectful to the microphone.
Okay, now you clean up.
You put this in the mix? Yeah, I didn't clean it though.
No, whatever.
That was Florida.
That was
Sorry.
really...
That was Florida. Oh, baby, off the back.
I wanna pee myself.
Are you videoing?
Yeah. Okay, we'll be back when it's done.
Oh, I just
Wait,
touched
what?
something.
F
Say
and D?
F and D.
What'd you say?
F and D.
F and D?
I just said F and D, but
Oh.
it sounded.
Anyways,
it
whatever.
sounded bad.
So we just finished this.
That's what it looks like on.
This is what...
I have a complete mess.
You have to dip it. Ew. Kind of grosses me out. Yeah, you're so weird.
Okay. Looking.
Huh?
know.
No. 1, 2, 3.
It tastes like a little funky.
It doesn't taste funky. It's the texture of the marshmallows. They're definitely
Is it
different.
Like it doesn't taste completely.
Unless you
right.
put another one on your graham cracker.
She's trying to give it a second chance. Eye on it.
I'm gonna like edit this. I'm not gonna post, but I'm gonna edit it. Dance break. Please stop singing. That was the s'mores dip video. I hope you enjoyed. It was okay. It was like a 5 out of 10. Okay, bye.